Okay, good afternoon, everybody. Jason Pohl here with KW Platinum. I wanted to shoot this quick video here. I'm at 337 Shorewood Avenue in Fort Gratiot. I did an open house here last weekend, and there was quite a bit of turnout. And the listing agent just informed me that they did a price reduction. They lowered it to $314,900, and because of that, I immediately asked her if I could do another open house because I had a feeling with that price reduction there'd be a lot of people who'd want to take a look at the house now. So wanted to show you a quick view of it. Now just over 2,600 square feet, new roof, generator, sprinkler system, granite countertops, the backyard's fully fenced in. Really I could just go on and on with all the extras, but a really, really nice home located at the end of a, let's see if you can take a look at it there, end of a dead end and a really quiet, nice subdivision. So if you or anybody you know is looking to purchase a home or